Hello and welcome. Today, we're addressing a growing challenge in finance and banking that is navigating the complexity of manually interpreting fraud and security incident reports. These documents often contain critical signals about system vulnerabilities or process gaps, but converting them into actionable backlog items is time-consuming, reactive, and inconsistent. By leveraging AI, Copilot4DevOps enables your teams to automatically extract structured, high-quality requirements directly from unstructured incident documentation. This accelerates remediation and helps prevent repeat occurrences. Here we have a work item in Azure DevOps. This could be any fraud or security report submitted by your risk or compliance teams. In this example, we've added a fraud incident report as an epic, describing how a series of unauthorized ACH transfers bypassed OTP validation and triggered delayed detection. Next, we call upon Copilot4DevOps. Using the Elicit function, the system instantly suggests features, user stories, and other work items. It ensures no critical gaps are left unaddressed. For this, let's start by eliciting features. Click on the Generate button. Copilot generates feature suggestions based on the context of your input. On the left-hand side, we see a list of suggested feature titles. When we select a feature, the right-hand side shows a preview of the detailed description. If it looks good, we click Create Linked Work Item and define the relationship type, say, Child or Related. Once created, each feature now has its own work item ID in Azure DevOps. Let's drill into one of these features to generate user stories. From the Create drop-down menu, select User Stories. Just like before, Copilot analyzes the input and suggests specific implementation stories aligned to the feature. You can select all, a few, or click See More to generate additional suggestions. These remain editable until you choose to add them. Again, you can click on Create Linked Work Items to add these user stories into the Azure backlog. And of course, you can continue on to generate test plans or test cases to build out a complete, structured roadmap for fraud prevention directly from incident data. Now, let's switch over to the backlog view. Here, you can see all the work items we just generated, including features and their associated user stories. They're automatically organized and linked and ready for sprint planning and execution. This leads to faster response times, more robust fraud defense capabilities, and better coordination across engineering, security, and compliance teams, all within Azure DevOps. If you're ready to turn incident reports into actionable system improvements, try Copilot4DevOps in Azure DevOps and discover how AI-powered requirement generation can enhance your fraud detection strategy.